Hey guys, it's Jen here. Sorry I look like absolute and utter garbage today, but it's home life. So, I got my first ever tuna girl crate. Check it out. Oh yeah. I have never received the tuna girl crate. We've been getting the premium ones, which I have here. That is Pat's. He will open it later. Unfortunately, sorry babe, I can't wait. I gotta see what's inside. Oh, what is this? Disobey. Break seal to disobey. My Pat's always particular about trying not to rip that, and I guess I'm just not gonna rip it either. Socks! Oh, I love socks. That's awesome. That's nice. Playing card. Kill your tires. Oh, if you can see the way I drive. Oh, man. That's not too bad. I'm definitely putting the kill your tires on my car, though. Holy shoot, that's heavy. What in the world is this? I don't know. It's definitely different. Let me see here. Got a t-shirt. Oh, it's so pretty. That is definitely pretty. So I should have waited for Pat, because you could have held the camera. That's the back. And that's the front. I'm definitely going to wear that, I think. My killer tires, I'm going to have to put that on. Keep calm and boost on. I don't have a turbo, so I can't put that on my car yet. Strawberry. I definitely need one of those. Sticker. It's so cute. Oh, I like it. Yeah, I got my own toy car now. Let's get it to focus. Oh, that is pretty. Of course, I want to focus on everything in the background and not on the car. Hold on. Let's see if we can try it again. Let's see. Come on. There it is. A little bit of glitter in the paint. Oh. There we go. Look at that. There it's focusing a little bit. There we go. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Night Rider. So if people don't know, Trans Am's one of my dream cars. Trans Am, Firebird. One's Canadian, one's American. Same thing, different day, you know? SSDD. Ooh. A tow hook keychain. Definitely gonna use that one. I'm sorry, I can't even focus on anything. I'm looking at the box and not the camera, and there we go. That is cute as heck. Which is funny because I ride around with my tow hook in all the time because you never know. You just never know. Alright, so give me 1 second here to see what this pill thing, this disobey, super heavy thing is. Alright, I got it open. And it is an umbrella. That is pretty beast. Kind of a different material. It's not regular umbrella nylon. See if I can get this opened up here. So it is a smaller umbrella, a little bit more kid size, but it's definitely a car umbrella, which explains the pill bottle case. Keep it dry. Oh, look at the inside. That is so cool. My son might fight me on this one. He's starting to get into cars. Oh, look at that. This is definitely would be his size umbrella. Handy for his locker, having the small little case. He's gonna have to fight me though, because that's pretty beast. I like that. That might be my new umbrella for good. Prefer huge umbrellas, but this is boss. Alright guys, well that was the girl tuner crate. If you would like to get your own, put the link down below. I'm kind of enjoying that. A lot. Could you imagine taking some Sharpies to that, though? Some bright colored Sharpies? Oh, yeah. Ideas are flowing now. Have a great day, guys. Bye.